Hey, I hope y'all are having a happy Thanksgiving, and I just want to take a couple of minutes to say thank you. And I wanted to do something for y'all, so I decided to give away a couple of these sets of grow boxes, and they've already got the end silicone on them. They're ready to go. They're going to come with pool noodles, so you can put your plants in there. They're going to come with the nutrients. So basically, just set up for you. All you're going to need is plants, and you'll be able to grow some of your own food. If you're just interested in that, go ahead and skip ahead to the video. I want to take a couple of minutes to thank some people here really quick. So if you're not interested in hearing me say thank you, just skip ahead and you can see how you can enter the drawing for that. But if you've been a channel member for any time, or even the new people, I want to say thank you. I really do appreciate it. First and foremost is the channel members. They support the channel on a monthly basis, and they're awesome. I really appreciate that. They're the ones that kind of make sure that all of this stuff happens and continues to happen. They help with us experimenting and being able to buy new things and try different things out. And really, I couldn't do it without y'all. So I really do appreciate our channel members. And just for you guys, I'm going to enter all of your names into a drawing, a separate drawing, for a set of these downspouts. So you don't have to do anything. I've already got your names, your channel member. I'm going to put all your names on a wheel and spin it, and just keep an eye on the community post, and I'll announce the winner there so we can exchange addresses, and I can get these to you. But I think I'm going to do that. I might also give away a set of the end caps, the new end caps that we've got. I'll go ahead and give away a set of 4 of those, and this is just for the channel members. So if you're a channel member, like I said, I really appreciate you, and you don't have to do anything. You're already in the drawing. So because you guys are just so amazing, I'm just going to do that for you. Check out the community post, and you'll see who the winners are. I think I'll be drawing it over the weekend, so I might be posting a video next Monday. I also want to say thank you to just anyone who supported the channel in any way by super chats, or hitting the thank you button, down below the video, and you leave a tip. I see all those comments with the tips and that. I really do appreciate it. People that bought merch and they're spreading our message, be the change. Thank you guys. And if you've helped this channel in any way, shape, or form, I just want to say thank you. I also want to say thank you to the people who go to my Etsy shop, and the people who purchase some of the stuff. Thank you for the purchase, but especially thank you to the people who've been leaving reviews. I'm not a salesperson. I'm not a real techie guy. I don't look into all of that. I just use the Etsy shop to put the products up to make it available for y'all. And I haven't really been paying attention, and I'll see a couple reviews come in and I'll read it. But I didn't realize over the years there's been over 200 reviews, and almost all of them are 5-star reviews. And somebody told me that helps me with Etsy keep pushing my stuff out, because they think they know you're a good seller, and they push you out. So you guys have helped me that way, and I didn't even know it. I didn't realize it, and I should have said thank you sooner. So thank you, for leaving all the great reviews. I really do appreciate that. I want to thank the people in our Facebook group. I can't be around to answer all the comments on our channel, my DMs, my emails. And then we got a Facebook group, and people get in there and they help each other, and that's just awesome. So if you're one of the people in the group that answer questions and take care of other people, thank you. I really do appreciate that. You guys are awesome. If you guys need help, I've got a Facebook group, and people go over there and share what they're doing. They take this stuff and either do it just like I'm doing and growing some of their own food, or they adapt it to fit their needs, and it's just cool to see everything evolve like that. And if you help support the channel anyway, I forgot to say thanks and mention it. I just want to take this time at Thanksgiving to say thank you. I also just want to say thank you to all of you. If you're just a viewer, just watching the videos helps. And if you watch the video and did the like and left a comment, every little bit helps, especially when you share it out to other people, because you guys don't realize how quick things spread like wildfire once someone shares it and they share it with a couple of their friends. And that's why I get DMs from people all over the world, just saying thank you, you've helped me, and it's not just me, it's you guys that have helped them. So thank you. You guys really made all this possible, and I'm quite humbled by all of it. So I haven't said thank you enough over the years, so I want to take this opportunity to go ahead and say thanks. Enough with the mushy stuff, right? If you want to win one of these or a set of these, I'm going to go ahead and give away a set of them, 2 of them. They've already got the end caps on. These are from Karen from World Grace Project. They're going to come siliconed on already. They've cured, they're ready to go. They're going to have pool noodles. You're going to have your nutrients so that you can mix it 5 gallons and go ahead and get started. All you have to do is go to the description down below. There's not going to be a bunch of links out to everywhere in Amazon and my ebook and all of that. There's going to be one link, and it's going to be for you guys to go and register for this. Now, it's with Gleam IO. It's a real legit company. You just go ahead and put in your email, answer question. I want to know what you guys are thankful for. If you don't want to say anything, just write anything in there, my dog or something. You know, just put anything that you want. But I'd really like to hear what you're thankful for. You can or you don't have to do it, but I'd really like to hear some of those messages. And I'm going to go ahead and give this away. I'm going to let that run through this weekend. So I'll post a video Monday with all the winners and everything, so watch out for that. And I'll put it on the community post too, so if you don't want to watch the video and you just want to know who won, you can go ahead and check that one out. Alrighty? Well, I'm not going to keep you guys too long. Like I said, I want you to go spend Thanksgiving with your families, have fun. So just be thankful for what we have. And, you know, there's so many people in the world that are suffering that we all need to be grateful for what we have. And I'm grateful for all of you. Alrighty, you guys get out there. Happy Thanksgiving. Live to inspire. Keep on growing. Be the change. We'll catch you later.
Ba ba da ba